You can build a mobile app for your coaching business in 15 minutes. No code, no developers, just a few AI prompts. Here's what that actually looks like. In this example, I built a simple fitness coaching app, but the same process works for any kind of coach. Most coaches still deliver through PDFs and links, and when everyone delivers the same way, it's hard to differentiate. Now imagine your clients accessing your coaching through your own mobile app, an app that lives on their home screen, an app they open daily, an app that feels like a product, not a document. Your business looks more professional, clients stay engaged longer, and you can charge more for the same experience. What used to take months and costly developers can now be done with a few simple prompts. Let me show you how this works. To get started, click the link below and you can create an account in a few seconds. You can sign up with any of the services you hear or just use your email and password. And when you sign up with my link, you'll get an extra 10 credits per month on the core plan. After you sign up, you're ready to start building right away. So the way Replit works is you just simply describe the app you want to build in plain language, and it's just going to build it for you. And in fact, with the new mobile update, it's going to help you test your app on your actual phone and then help you publish it to the App Store, all within Replit. You don't need any external tools or AIs or integrations or any kind of technical setup. Everything is just going to happen for you directly within Replit. So as a coach, you can make an app to support and supplement the work that you already do with your clients. So as a simple example, let's say we're a fitness coach and we want to make an app that can help us keep on track with our clients and check in with them and just see how they're progressing. And we want this to be a mobile app that actually lives on their phone and that they can get from the App Store. So the first thing we do is we go to mobile app right here, and then we just simply describe in plain language the app we want Replit to build. So I could have a prompt like this: build a simple mobile app for a fitness coach and their clients. There should be separate logins for coaches and clients. Clients can mark workouts as done and add a short note about it. They can see their current streak. They can see a simple weekly view of their completed days. There's a coach's dashboard. They can see their last 7 entries. There's some notes. Keep it clean and minimal. And of course, you need authentication for each user. And if you want, let's say, a coach to sign up, right? Because it's a mobile app, you need to figure out a way to sort of give access to just that coach so someone can properly sign up as a coach or a client. So there's many ways to do that. I came up with a really simple one. There's just a coach code. So when you try and sign up as a coach, you just need to enter this coach code. So you would just give this coach code to your actual coaches on your team. Again, millions of different ways to do it, but there's a really simple way to do it. And so as you can see, I didn't say anything technical. I didn't tell it what tech to use or nothing, just plain language. And I just described what I want this app to do. Now you have two options really quickly. You can actually just have it design the app and build it all at once, or you can do a design phase where it first designs it, you can give it feedback on the design, and then it'll build the app. Replit does a really great job with the design, so I never really ever use this. I just go straight into the build. And that's what we're gonna do. And so now all you need to do is hit start. And now Replit's actually going to be working through it and telling you everything that it's building. Now don't even worry if you don't understand half of what it's saying. It's gonna go through its thinking process. It's kind of talking to itself, but it's letting you see what it's thinking. And so you'll just see it working here. And if it needs anything from you, it's just going to ask, and you can just type in here and answer it. But most of the time, if you provide enough information and it's clear enough, it's just going to go off, make the best assumptions, and present you with a first version. So just go grab a cup of coffee or take a walk and come back in a few minutes and you'll see your preview here. And so you could see it working here. And what's crazy is you can actually watch it actually test the app. You can see it clicking around and it's telling you what it's testing, which is crazy. So it's not just building it and leaving it for you to test. It's actually going in here and testing all of the functionality that it builds, which is actually pretty wild. And of course, we can see here on the right-hand side, the app's looking great. It's already done all the interface for us, and it's just refreshing. So we can't use it yet until it tells us, of course, that it's done, but you can already see a preview here as it's being built live. And so it was looking really professional, and there you go again. And you didn't even have to write any of the copy. Like, it's obvious it says sign in to continue your training, but that's not something you had to specify, right? You didn't have to come up with the UI screens and come up with the text and everything. It just made intelligent assumptions based on the parameters we gave it. And all I've really done here is give them just this one prompt so far. And you can see there far. It took about 7 minutes, and you can see how much it cost as well, only $1.34, and it's built the app, and now we're ready to test it. Okay, so let's just sign up first. Let's sign up as a coach. Let's say my name is Kevin Coach, and my password is Kevin123, worst password ever, but just to test this. And the coach code we said was Coach 2026. Okay, perfect. I'm in, and I can actually right away see all of my clients here, and it's actually seeded some dummy data for us, which is cool. We can see the clients, they're active, the average streak. So if we click into Sarah, morning run, felt great. Thursday, strength training, upper body, we can see all of Sarah's check-ins. We can see Alex's. So really cool stuff. Like, this is looking like an actual app a coach would use. Like, we can see the streak here and whatnot. And then if I want to now sign up as a client, let's do that as well. Say my name is client Mike123, and of course a client doesn't need a client code. And then I can now start great workout today, and I can mark as done. And then if I go back in as a coach now, what did I say? It was Kevin Coach, Kevin123. Client Mike, great workout today. And we can see that one. So this is actually pretty mind-blowing, right? Like, literally from one prompt, it's a fully working application, as you can see, exactly what we described, which is pretty crazy. Now, this came out great on just the single prompt, but if you do want to make some additions, or if you want to just refine a few things in that first build, you literally just have to describe what you want to change and it'll do it. And it can even be complicated things. Like, for example, because this is an actual mobile app, we'll be able to use the features on the phone. For example, being able to access the camera. So let me try something a little bit more advanced here. So what if we want them to be able to submit a photo with each report? Add the ability to upload a photo with every note. That's it, just plain English. And I purposely didn't make it way too descriptive because I want to show you how this thing's actually going to think about what you're asking and then just figure out how to do it. So again, you got to give it a few minutes to work on this request, and it's going to come back, and hopefully it's going to work well. Let's see. Okay, so it just made the change, and this time, instead of previewing it here, we're actually going to preview it on our phone like a real app, and Replit makes this really easy. So all you have to do is download Expo Go from the iOS or Android store on your phone, and it's free. It takes a few seconds. I'll actually share my phone and I'll show you exactly what we're doing. And so just install Expo Go from the store, and then you're going to open it. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to go to scan QR code and scan this QR code, and then it's actually going to start installing on your phone, as you're seeing here. And so this is actually how the app is going to run on a real phone. You're getting to preview it instantly on your phone to make sure that everything works, not just on your browser in a sort of app preview, but as an actual phone application. So it just loaded on our phone, and you can see that it works like a real application. You're going to see me typing on there right away. And so let's say we are going to log in here, Mike, client, and Mike. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we can see that it added the option to now choose a picture from your gallery or take a picture with your camera. Let's do the gallery, and let's choose that and crop, and boom, just like that, we have our photo right there, and we can say great workout and mark as done. Or we could have used the camera and taken the photo right there as well. And then if we log in as Kevin, boom, we can see the photo there with the check-in and everything. And to think that this was literally just 2 prompts is actually crazy. It figured out how to do this all on its own. And so you can just keep iterating until you're happy with your app. Just chat with Replit and tell it exactly what you want to add or change. And then when you're happy with your app and you want to get into final testing before you deploy it to the app stores, then just go to publish, and it'll start publishing your application. And what it's going to do here is just going to give you a website with that QR code so that you can easily scan it and continue testing it if you want. And just because in order to submit it to the App Store, you actually do need a website. So it's actually just making that for you. That's just a requirement. And so it's going to publish to this subdomain for you automatically on Replit's domain. But if you really are trying to launch this as a commercial app, you definitely want to get your own domain or assign it to any existing domains questions you have, and you can do that as well. So just give it a few minutes here and it's going to publish. And just like that, they've made your landing page for you, and you can preview it here. And so you can see it's made a landing page for you. And so you can actually give this to anyone else on your team who you want to test the app. So you can just give them this URL. Now, this is for internal testing, and I wouldn't give this to clients to use because yes, technically clients could use your app right now by using the Expo Go sort of app loader, but that's just not the experience you want to do. You actually want to submit this to their app store, which is going to be a much more robust application and much more stable because this is just for testing. Now, if we head back to Replit, you'll see start publishing to the App Store. So just click that. And again, it's going to happen all within Replit. And so Replit's going to handle your application for you. And in a few clicks, you'll actually just be able to submit it for the App Store. You can see, so you just need to put your name in, your project slug, and you can continue with that. And so you just need to fill in just a few details and you'll be able to launch it. Now, keep in mind that the App Store charges $100 a year to get an Apple developer account. This has nothing to do with Expo Go or Replit. This is just how Apple rolls. Any app you download from the store, everyone has to pay $100. That's just the process. There's no way around it. Now, the Android store, the Play Store is a little better because it's actually $25 for a lifetime for your developer account, but you do need to sign up for a developer account and get that approved first. And so there's no way around that. So just do that first. It's not too bad. Just follow the instructions and pay the fee and you'll most likely be approved. And then once that's done, you just need to fill this in and sign in with Apple. It's going to configure everything else for you. And it's then just going to submit the app to the App Store for approval. That's it. And then once it's approved, you can freely direct your clients to download it directly from their app stores. Now, this was a simple example, but think about your own coaching process. What do you send repeatedly? What do you track? What do you follow up on? Instead of scattering that across PDFs and links, you can turn it into a product your clients can actually interact with. You don't need to get this perfect on day one. Build something simple, use it, refine it, expand it. That's how real apps evolve. If you want to try this yourself, you can sign up for Replit using the link below and start building right away. If this got you thinking differently about how you deliver your coaching, hit like and subscribe for more content just like this. And if you want to see how to build a custom app to automate your own work inside Replit, watch this video right here. I'll see you in there.